Today we will have the conversation on the topic why CAs need to step up their game. So my first question is, sir, in your opinion, how CAs can give full potential in game right now?
Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. The whole economy at a globe level, world level, is very fast and dynamic. And the same is at a business level in India. So what chartered accountants who are doing, say I qualified in 83, 40 years back. I know when we were doing bank audit, there was a branch manager telling the financial daily books, maybe till 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. when the trial balance was not telling. That today the whole technology, the whole sphere of business has changed. So we chartered accountant also have to see that what activities can be automated, and we cope up with artificial intelligence, because human mind cannot be replaced even after 10,000 years, after 1 lakh years. So we need to step up our game like a rocket, like a robotic, very fast.
So why do you think they need to step up their game? Reason behind it?
The reason I covered in my previous, but I'll elaborate little more. See, all these businesses need the service at the click of the button. If we see in our life, if we ring someone and if the phone is not picked up immediately, we feel that person is not responsible, not answering, depending on our attitude. So we have to be ready with our answers. We need to have a template. We should have a draft ready in our office. Or if I am in employment, then in my organization, I should see how things are happening. And from 24th March 2020, whole technology, it is WFH. This 3 alphabet, which was rarely heard earlier, work from home. So and now the cost saving organizations, when we see the real estate market, perhaps there is no demand for office premises, because the entrepreneurs want to make a very lean office, want to cut down the cost, let all employees work from home. There are enough softwares available to track their work. So therefore, we need to step up our game.
So taking into account the quick change in technology and demand, how can CA can step up their game?
See, we can automate many things, like if we take an example of audit, we can use data analytics to such an extent that only mind application is required to find out the red flag, to find out where the chances of error is there, where we comply our standards on auditing 240, fraud and error compliances. We can have a checklist for everything. We can have a mapping of document required. Similarly, in the income tax, in the GST, in the TDS arena. So by use of technology, and second is training our team members. Each team member should be a profit center rather than cost center. Diversifying our services. And Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has taken a very salutary decision, 2 months back, 8th July 2021, we can be partnered with 6 other professionals. So we have company secretary, cost accountant, advocate, actuary, the engineer, architect. So MDP is a new terminology. And in the business field, they have to acquire more and more businesses. So horizontal and vertical integration will expand the business, because I'm covering, both members in practice and members in employment.
Right. Very rightly said. So, what can we as a community do to assist CAs in each other's journey? How can we assist each other?
See, each other journey is a superb concept from the, maybe the birth of the human being. If we see, I say the professional mathematics is 1 plus 1 is 11, and 1 plus 1 is 111. And if there are 4 persons, it is 1111. So in a networking, like we have 28 states and 8 union territories. So to begin with, we can have a presence in all states and union territories. So we have a network of 36 persons. Then we take the major cities. So it is a win-win situation, what Stephen Covey talks in his book, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. So we as a community can do miracle. Like I believe we can make change the whole roadmap of the Indian economy and make this as a powerful economic country in the world and assist all other countries in the world.
Wonderfully, wonderful, sir. So, thank you for joining us in this conversation.